Hey everyone, it's Scott at Scott Trades on Twitter with StockMarketMentor.com and your chart of the day. Want to take a look at Sea Limited? This is ticker SE. Now, Sea Limited is actually a stock that was brought to our attention by one of our members in our weekly live webinar that we do every Monday with Dan Fitzpatrick. Dan mentioned that this was a really good looking stock above all the key moving averages, and I mentioned it this morning again in my morning note that I sent out to Stock Market Mentor members. Well, today we ended up getting a nice breakout here on Sea Limited, and it came on higher than average volume. Now, if I zoom out just in the last year or so, you would look at the stock and say, wow, this has really gone up a lot. I mean, it's moved all the way from 34 to now above 126, right? But if I zoom out even further, we see that this stock actually might have a lot further to go, especially if they do have some positive earnings. Their earnings are coming out on March the 4th. And if those earnings are good, this stock will probably continue in this nice uptrend that it's in. And it may have a chance to test some of these previous levels of resistance, like up here at around 176, or even over here at around 152, at least in the short term. So I definitely think that this is a stock that you should keep on your watch list and look for buy opportunities. As it looks right now, the 21-day, the 50-day, and short-term bounces off the 8-day have been actionable. So that's what I would do on this stock. Probably don't want to chase it here. I would look for a pullback bounce off that 21-day or 50-day just to give you a level to define your risk off of if, in fact, the trend does break to the downside. But so far, in a strong uptrend, above all the key moving averages, and I think this looks buyable on a pullback as long as it remains in an uptrend. And then look at these levels from back here in 2022 and 2021. I mean, if it got back up to the 2021 highs, it'd be up over 300, and that's a double from where it is now. Probably won't get there in a straight line, but if you can latch onto a strong trend and just let it work, that becomes an easy trade and one that you don't have to worry about in your account. So this is definitely one we're going to keep watching over at StockMarketMentor.com. As long as it's in an uptrend, I think it looks pretty good. So I hope that video is helpful. Give me a follow on Twitter if you don't already, at Scott Trades. I'll catch you in the next one.